Alright everyone, I am back out. I am going to go bait fishing, and as you can see, definitely back at it. So, let's see what we can catch, okay? Definitely looking forward to seeing what kind of bait fish we can find. Pretty certain because this not deep here. Get bait fish anywhere. Alright guys, first bait fish. Sweet. Got another nice one. All three bobbers out. Let's see which one gets a fish on first. And looks like this one will be it. No, I missed it. Got it. Nice green sunfish. Got a nice bluegill. Now, that's a big green sunfish. Hell yeah. Got it. Another big one. Yeah, I had the same. All right, everybody, we got bait. Let's go fishing. All right, guys, I am back at it trying to see if I can catch these carp. This time I got a worm. I see one right there. Let's see if we can get it. Yeah, it is. It's a very pretty daylight. I'm trying to catch this carp. There. That herring was so pretty. Man, look at that. So I want to give a great big shout out to Fisher Apparel. I am using an amazing tackle box book bag. Carries all my stuff in it. Been able to carry even my rod holders and a few other things to get to my special spot this evening for flathead fishing. So go check them out. Go get your tackle bags and enjoy the rest of the evening, and let's see how many more we can catch.
You better stand up. Yep. I'm recording. Yeah. Yeah. Mike, how's it feel?
Oh my God, it feels like a monster, bro.
All right.
Jesus Christ. Dude, that fucking line just took off.
He did take off, didn't he?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's the big one, Mike. That's what you came to Kansas for, right?
Yes, sir.
And who you fishing with?
Anna.
Anna Bates Fishing Industry.
He's coming right to you right now.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
Old Faithful, baby. To the left of you.
I know, I see it.
Oh my God.
Can't do anything, huh?
Can't do shit. Just hold him. He's coming up a little bit.
Yep.
Oh my God.
No. Oh, he's big. He's big. He's big.
Oh my.
Whoa! You got him!
You got him.
Love my network.
Dude, that's the biggest fight of my life.
Here, Anna. Here. I'll grab it.
Ah! Got it? Oh
I got it. Big fish. I got a scale. Give me a second.
And that's on that Hooker's Terminal tackle
I'm
hook.
gonna sit
Yep.
down. Holy fucking shit. Dude! Ah! Lee, fuck you. Motherfucker, you better not bite me. I'm scared to even put my hand in.
Here, I got it. Hold your pole.
That fish isn't going anywhere. Mike, what do you think?
Bro, fuck yeah, let's go.
Let's go. Kansas Flathead.
Hang on, I gotta go get the pliers.
Okay.
Let's fucking go.
That Hooker's terminal tackle hook. What do you think of that?
Fucking amazing.
3 flatheads in one night?
Yes, sir. Oh, I can't. That fucking thing's in there. Oh, man. Oh, geez.
20 pounder. That's a 20.
At 18.8.
Yes.
Yeah, I just call it a 19.
Yep.
It's so close.
Yes.
Woohoo! Yeah. That's where you come to Kansas for.
Yes, sir.
That's so nice.
Oh,
Why stand beside him? Stand beside Mike, if you can. Look at all this stuff in the way. Stand beside him.
Here we go. Here, take those grippers out.
Hey, look, now showing me in the picture now.
That's his fish.
All right, what you think of that big guy?
Oh, man. Great.
Be careful.
Pretty big fella. There you go, buddy.
Woohoo! Heck yeah! Little flatty.
Yeah, boy. All right.
So what do you think of this flathead fishing in Kansas thing?
I like it.
Nice.
Another eater. Nah, you can go back. Let you get bigger.
Oh, he says thank you.
You really have to follow my hook though?
Oh shit, did he really?
Oh yeah, with my bait. It's right there.
Oh shit, yeah, he did.
My hooks are there, I see it, but
Don't worry, we have plenty of hooks. We can give you one. We'll give you one that you can set your... That works.
Look at the fish.
see?
Yeah.
What's up, buddy? See you later. You got dinner. Adios, bud.
Cool.
Got it?
Yeah.
All right, fish number one, going back.
Good job.
All right, number two. At least you get bigger. All right.
I don't know if you heard that, but something went off. Which one is it?
Get him. Get him.
Okay. He's just a baby. It's a baby.
It's a baby fatty.
He's so cute. This is like the best flathead fishing we've ever experienced.
I barely hooked him.
Five of them, Mike. Isn't that crazy?
Got one.
Say bye-bye. What'd you catch it on?
Hooker's Terminal Tackle.
That's a 4.
It's a 4.
4.4?
Yep.
Madcatter?
Yep.
Cool. Those are wicked hooks. Good job.
Thank you.
When they hook, they hook.